This is a 2022 Bayliner VR5. It's a 20-foot bow rider, swing tongue trailer, nice long 4-step ladder, big swim platform, has a Mercruiser 4.5 liter. Walk-through transom. There is a built-in cooler there. You can lay this completely down, or it'll also lean so you can have a little lounger there. Lots of seating. Does have the bolster driver's seat, so you can have that up or put it down. And then this seat here has 3 different positions. You can push it forward and sit towards the back, or lay it completely down and make a bench. In-floor storage, tilt steering. Does not have an hour meter. Stereo, depth finder, rated for 8 passengers. Walk-through windshield, little glove box. There is some fenders in the in-floor storage, an anchor up front. Nice wide bow seating. It's more like a deck boat on top, but a V-bottom to handle the water nicely. Big sun pad. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's. We do offer financing.